columns. Applying watermark. Watermark refers to a text or image that is shown as a dim imprint behind the text of every page in a document. The watermark is mostly used in important official documents to avoid duplicacy. To set watermark, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the document and click the Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Watermark from the Page Background group. Step 3. Select the style of the watermark and click it to apply on the page. You can add the text or picture as a watermark in the document using Custom Watermark option. To set custom watermark, follow the given steps. Step 1. Open the document and click Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Watermark from the Page Background group. A drop-down menu appears. Step 3. Click Custom Watermark option. Select any of the following option from the Printed Watermark dialog box. Click Picture Watermark option. Select Picture button to insert a picture. The Insert Picture dialog box appears. Select the appropriate picture and click Insert button. Click OK button on the Printed Watermark dialog box. The picture is added as a watermark on the page. Click Text Watermark option to insert the text. Type the text in the text box and set the font, size, color and layout. Click OK button. The text is added as a watermark on the page. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Watermark command from the Page Background group of Design or Design tab to apply watermark in Word 2013 or 2016.
Setting line spacing. Line spacing refers to the amount of vertical space between the lines of text in a paragraph. To set line spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the paragraph for which you want to set the line spacing. Step 2. Click the Home tab. Step 3. Click Line Spacing from Paragraph group and choose the required number of spacing from the list to adjust the space between lines.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use line and paragraph spacing command from the paragraph group of Home or Home tab to set line spacing in Word 2013 or 2016.
Setting paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing refers to the amount of space above or below a paragraph. To set paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click anywhere in the paragraph to set spacing before or after it. Step 2. Click Page Layout tab. Step 3. Click the arrow next to Spacing Before or Spacing After from Paragraph group to increase or decrease the amount of space you want.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Spacing Before and Spacing After command from the paragraph group of Page Layout or Layout tab to set paragraph spacing in Word 2013 and 2016.
Setting page orientation. Orientation means the layout position of the paper for printing.
There are two ways to set the orientation of a page in a Microsoft Word document: Portrait and Landscape.
To set page orientation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Orientation from the Page Setup group and choose the type of orientations as Portrait or Landscape.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Orientation command from the Page Setup group of Page Layout or Layout tab to set the page orientation in Word 2013 or 2016.
Do you know? You can set the size of paper before printing by clicking Size from Page Setup group in the Page Layout tab and then choosing the required size of the paper.
Setting page margin. Page margin refers to the blank space around the edges of the page. This space, seen on all the four sides of the page, is called top margin, bottom margin, left margin, and right margin. All the text and images are inserted inside the margin. To set margins, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Page Layout tab. Step 2. Click Margins from Page Setup group. Step 3. Choose the margin type and click on it to apply it to your page.
Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use margins command from the page setup group of page layout or layout tab to set page margins in Word 2013 or 2016.
Do you know? Click View Ruler button at the top of the vertical scroll bar to show or hide the horizontal and vertical rulers.
Creating macros. A macro is created to save time on tasks you do often. First, you record the macro. Then you can run the macro by clicking a button on the Quick Access toolbar or pressing a combination of keys. Let us learn to record and run the macro by pressing a combination of keys. To record and run the macro, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click View tab. Step 2. Click the small arrow on the macros from the macros group. Step 3. Select Record Macro option. The Record Macro dialog box appears. Step 4. Type the macro name and click Keyboard icon. The Customize Keyboard dialog box appears. Step 5. Type a combination of keys in the Press New Shortcut key box. Check to see whether that combination already assigned to something else. If it's already assigned, try a different combination. Step 6. Click Assign, Close button. Now it's time to record the steps. Click the commands or press the keys for each step in the task. Word records your clicks and keystrokes. Step 7. To stop recording, click the small arrow on the macros from the macros group and select Stop Recording option. Run the macro by pressing the keyboard shortcut keys assigned to it. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use macros command from the macros group of View or View tab to record and run macros in Word 2013 or 2016.
Mail merge. Suppose that you want to give a party to your friends and relatives. You have typed the invitation letter. Now, you have to type all the addresses of your friends and relatives. Typing all the names and addresses and then making the documents and saving them is a tedious job. This work is done very easily in MS Word using the Mail Merge feature. With the help of Mail Merge feature, you can send the same letter to a number of people. The mail merge process requires the following. Main document. The document that contains letter or text which is to be sent is called the main document. Data source. The file where all the addresses of the recipients are stored is called the data source. The process of combining the main document with the data source is called merging. The final document is called the merged document. In general, the mail merge process involves the following three steps: creating main document, creating data source, merging main document and data source. To mail merge, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Mailing tab on the ribbon. Step 2. Click Start Mail Merge from the Start Mail Merge group and choose letters from the choices available. Step 3. Type the letter you want to send. Step 4. Click Select Recipients and choose Type New List option from the choices available. The New Address List dialog box appears. Step 5. Fill in the various fields with the appropriate information.
You can leave a field blank as well.
Step 6. To create another entry, Click the New Entry button. You can arrange the records according to your choice by clicking the appropriate column heading. For example, click First Name field to arrange according to names. Step 7. After completing the form, click OK button. The Save Address List dialog box appears. Step 8. Give a suitable name to the list and click Save button. Step 9. Now, place the cursor in the main document where you want the fields to be inserted. Step 10. Click Insert Merge field from Write and Insert Fields group and choose the required field. Again, place the cursor at Next Place for next field and insert the field in the same manner.
Step 11. Click Finish and Merge from the Finish group to complete the mail merge process.
Step 12. Choose Edit Individual Documents option. The Merge to New Document dialog box appears. Step 13. Choose All option and click OK.
Note, you can also click Highlight Merge Fields from the Write and Insert Fields group to easily identify which part of the document will be replaced by the information from the recipient's list. The merged letters will be opened in Microsoft Word window for further editing. Word 2013 or 2016 updates. You can use Mailings or Mailings tab to apply